There are many such questions in the world which have always attracted humanity, and scientists have been pursuing them for many years, but the answer has not been found yet. What is the meaning of life? Is there life elsewhere in this universe, or are we alone in this universe? How was our universe formed? Why do we dream? Is everyone's fate already decided? Do we really exist, or is it just like a moving movie where everything is predetermined? What is the soul? These are some such questions which force us to think and challenge the limits of humanity's existence and knowledge. There are some more such questions whose answers we will try to know from the scientific point of view. First of all, let us talk about whether God exists. Does God exist? We know God by many names. Almost all humans believe that this universe has been created by God, but there has always been a difference of opinion among scientists on this matter. Some scientists believe in God and some do not. But most scientists believe in this. According to science, about 14 billion years ago, a massive explosion took place which led to the creation of the universe. But why did this explosion take place, and what existed before it? No one has the answer to this question. Even science does not have the answer to how life started on Earth. The world of Big Bang and quantum physics is a mysterious place where life is livable. Its perfect distance from the sun. Its atmosphere. Its moon. The coming and going of seasons. The creation of day and night. The existence of male and female. The existence of male and female in every living being. Everything is so systematic, as if someone has made it after careful thought. All these things force us to think that the universe did not come into being on its own, but someone has created it, and we call him God. But whether God exists in this world or not, scientists have not been able to reach a conclusion on this question till date. Are we alone in this universe? One of those questions which even scientists fail to answer is this: is also true. There are countless stars in this universe, there are countless galaxies, there are countless suns, planets and their moons. So is Earth the only planet where there is life? Is Earth the only planet where there is such a distance from its sun? No other planet is at this distance. No other planet has an environment like our Earth has. Or are there no living beings which can be born in a different environment and live life? Is there a planet where there are living beings? And if there are, then how are they? Will they be more evolved than us or less than us? We have not been able to know anything about this yet. If there were no aquatic creatures in water, then perhaps we humans would have believed that life is not possible in water because there is not enough oxygen here, whereas every living being survives on oxygen. But the living beings living in water prove that there is life in water as well. And not only in water, there is life in the depths of the ocean as well, where we used to believe till some time that the place is deserted. The needs for survival may be different, but if life exists, then it is possible that the organisms living on other planets of this type may also require a different environment to live. They may not need oxygen to live, but some material from their own planet. But we have not been able to know this clearly, nor have we been able to explain it properly, nor have we been able to give any theory which proves that we are not alone in the universe. What is the universe made of? Whatever material we see around us is made of atoms, but only 5% of the entire universe is made of atoms. We do not know what the remaining 95% is made of. Till now, whatever discoveries have been made by scientists, whatever studies have been done, it has been found that most of the universe is made of two things. First, dark matter. Scientists say that it is a completely different kind of matter from normal matter. Matter is actually, its job is to connect the big bodies of the universe. You can say that it binds the galaxies together, which is invisible but very strong and exists. The second is dark energy. It is a type of energy that humans and modern instruments of humans cannot see. We can only see the work done by it, and from that we can guess that something like dark energy also exists in our universe. You can say that due to this energy the universe is continuously expanding, because dark energy and dark matter are neither visible nor can be detected by any electromagnetic radiation. It is almost impossible for science to know about them. Now the bigger question is, how does living consciousness work? All living beings have awareness. We can understand the environment around us. We can sense the danger. We can feel comfort. We can also take measures to protect ourselves from heat and cold. We have senses of our body and we can feel them too. We can question our existence. We are curious to know our purpose and can exchange our thoughts with each other. These are the things that make us the best among all living beings. But we do not know where it comes from and how it works. Our brain works like a central computer. You can say that like our brain, we have made a device which we call a computer and we can control all our physical activities. There must have been enough and important material, but this creates another obstacle. If this is so, then why did some of those comets not fall somewhere else? And if they fell somewhere, then why is there no life there? Or if life exists there, then which are those planets where such comets fell, and where does life come from on these comets? Well, this is a very complicated matter. Even if science cannot answer it today, but in the coming time, answers to these questions will definitely be found. And the most interesting question that comes to everyone's mind is that bicycle tires are so thin, but how do they remain straight while moving? This question may seem very stupid, but it is true. It is also counted among the most difficult questions till date. Although hundreds of scientists have given their theories about this, but till date not a single theory has been made which can explain clearly how a bicycle remains straight. Many people take the name of guided pick effect to answer this question, but let me tell you that it is completely wrong. As stupid as this question may seem to you, it is actually much more difficult than that. Now we are showing you a picture in which you can see how many forces work in moving a bicycle. Which force does how much work and what calculations should be done. This becomes a very complex structure and we face difficulty in answering this question. This question must have come to your mind sometime or the other, that when a bicycle stands straight, it falls, but when it is started to be ridden, it does not fall. So friends, did you also find any of these questions similar to the ones that were in your mind? Then do tell us by writing that question in the comments.